Speaker, sir, through you I am requesting is that, sir, the seat allocation is going on. The counseling is going on. Sir, when I say that minority colleges have 60% of A category, the fees is 60,000. Non-minority colleges have an A category of only 50%. Here it is 60% and there it is 50%. Because of this, sir, more than 350 students will be losing an opportunity. The meritorious students belonging to Hindu, Muslim, SC, ST, BC, sir. The counseling is going on. I am not standing here and saying that can reduce the 60% of minority colleges. No, sir. Let it be, sir. But here I am saying that non-minority colleges are having only 50%. Because of that, 300 meritorious students will lose their seat, will forfeit their seat, or they will end up paying 13 lakhs or 14 lakhs per annum. This is what I am saying. This needs to be corrected. The counseling is going on, sir. Today the counseling is going on. That is why I am saying, why is the differentiation between minority and non-minority? Why should a meritorious student end up paying lakhs? Why should they pay lakhs? Let them have the seat in thousands also. That is what I am saying. Government is, sir, the government नए medical college ला रही साहब 150 सीट एक कॉलेज में होते, 2 नए medical colleges लाए वैसा है ये, 2 नए medical colleges, 150 के सीट के 2 साहब. तो प्लीज मेरी बात को समझिए, इस पे आप करेक्ट करिए या तो काउंसलिंग को स्टॉप करिए. Or stop the counseling. Stop the counseling, correct this mistake, and then let the students go on the web counseling. Immediately you should stop the counseling. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you I would like to once again ask the Honorable Minister Sahab out of the questions which I have asked. Only one question was answered. The rest of the questions haven't been answered. Sir, we are starting a new medical college, so we have to have the financial allocation for the colleges. And at the same time, sir, anyway, Honorable Minister Saab had said he will send me the reply. I thank him that he would send me the reply. But at the same time, sir, yesterday also I have raised a very important issue. That issue is pertaining to the A category of non-minority colleges. And minority colleges have A category of 50%. Non-minority has 60%. So 50%, sir. And minority has 50%, sir. Now the question is that, sir, कि आप ये जो non-minorities में 50% रखे हैं और minority में 60 रखे हैं, उसकी वजह से the meritorious students are losing the opportunity. This has to be corrected by the state government. Why that minority colleges have given 60% and non-minorities have been given 50%? Sir, I'm standing here and I'm not saying that the 60% of minority should be reduced. No, sir. Minority students are getting benefited. The A category fees is 60,000, sir. Yesterday also I have told, sir, with this more than 300 meritorious students will get a benefit. If this is corrected, why are we not correcting this? Private college is a private college, sir. Whether it is minority or non-minority. Category distribution, percentage distribution should be equal. Why is it not equal? Is my question. Kindly correct it, sir. With this, many meritorious students, sir. Hindu students, Muslim students, SC students, ST students, BC students, tribal students, all students will get benefited if this is corrected. So we should correct this.